you guys UTV. What's special about Eitzen MN UTV rides is that we've got private access to these big, well-known farmers that have 350, 400 acres. They open the gates for us. You get an entry fee and you enjoy some of the most beautiful country that you ever see here in the Midwest. August 9th, look them up on Facebook. The UTV ride's going for a good cause. Like I said, it's an amazing ride and it's a good cause. You guys, we got almost 2,500 tickets to sell for the raffle. We've only sold 221 tickets. 221 tickets out of 3,000. We need to bump it up. Nobody want to win $7,500? I think you do. 3,000 tickets, you guys. We've only sold 221 tickets. 3,000 to go. It's good chances. Please look into it. I'm not trying to sell no snake oil here. I believe in it. All right, Eitzen, Minnesota, welcome to the truck class. We are welded up and ready for maximum destruction. They're going for first place for $1,000, second place $500, third place $250, and the Mad Dog $60. The Mad Dog is so important to me, you guys. I only see this event once a year. I want to see corner to corner metal shrugging. I want this car to look like a W kind of leave the arena. That blaze orange is looking hot, but how much time do you spend on it? Is it all show or is it all go? Tonight we'll find out. 22J. Jacob Flynn. Number 13B is Jim Shellsmith. You probably just heard his name for the minivan class. He's in the Suburban tonight in Caledonia, Minnesota boy. Chad Beckwith out of Hillsboro, Wisconsin, is 2013 Ford F-150. 2013, that's a number you don't see much. Jacob Flynn, Steitzer, Wisconsin, in his 02 Ford Super Duty. Bryce Winkers out of Platteville, Wisconsin, in his 02 Excursion. And last but not least, another Shellsmith boy, father-son duo, Caledonia, in his Ford Super Duty. Green flags are high. People are ready. Let's get a countdown. Help me out here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eitzen Lions has makes a roll. plus. Green flag is up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's crush. Up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. No pussyfoot, let's go. 22, what do you got? Take a pull. 22. Outsiders coming to make some ground here in Eitzen. You guys think that Super Duty's got a 5-4 Titan in it, or is he running with the 5-0 Coyote? I don't know. It's still a low-end club. I'm pretty impressed with number 13 in there. Gabby, on the other hand, is stuck up on the ground. We got Bryce Winkers eyeing down number 22K, Jacob Flynn. Certainly, Hunter Shelter is showing his force off with that beautiful motor and that 13 car. But you guys, it's too much to bear. These two guys are well healthy enough to keep distributing guys in friendly function. Who do you think got 22? How many of you guys want to see corner to corner? Corner to corner, put them against. I want to see wide open. Too hot for bumper cars, folks. Looking for Mad Dogs. We're looking for Eitzen legends. Next time you come back, we'll put the red carpet out for you. Represent this town, and we'll represent you next year. Show your work tonight. We're down to number 22J, Jacob Flynn, against number 99, Bryce Winkers, in that beautiful old 240 Fusion. Blood, sweat, and tears.